Hello, we are the team number 4 and today we are going to talk about the air pollution.
It is important because air is vital for human life. We need it to breathe, and while its quality directly affects our health.
But many industries release harmful gases into the atmosphere, and that affects the quality of the air we all share.
This leads to serious health problems like asthma, heart disease, and even cancer.
That's why our project focuses on this issue, to raise awareness and help protect people's health.
Our proposal is a simulation of a prototype that can monitorize the quality of the air in the following way.
The device is mainly composed of sensors and the control panel. Our sensors, we have one sensor for each element that we want to detect. For example, CO2, we have a sensor for CO2. And those sensors will take the air in and detect how much of that element is in the air. Based on that, it will do some calculations and show in the control panel the levels of each of these elements, and it will also show you how bad the air quality is or how good the air quality is.
For example, in the following videos and photos that we will expose, we can observe and we can notice that for a human it's impossible to determine whether the air is good or bad, but for our device it is easy to interpret the data from the sensors and determine this result. So the goal of the prototype and of course of the project is to help people to be more informed about the situation of the air pollution here in New Zealand and how they can take care of their health.
For the system to be reliable on an industrial scale, it must be intelligent and innovative. We will move to high precision sensors with ILP technology to measure in real time invisible and lethal pollutions such as PM10 and volatile organic compounds. We will never stop searching, and continuous improvement involves researching new materials that increase efficiency while maintaining low cost.
So, as air pollution represents one of the biggest threats to human health, what we can do long term to improve this project is to implement more control zones to give more measures to the people in different areas, and add more conscious messages to these measurements to help people of what can they do to protect themselves and others, and what can they do to answer this problematic about the air pollution.